Welcome everyone, today is a basic video on the OnePlus 6T, just showing you how to insert your SIM card. Make sure first of all your phone is powered off, make sure you use the correct SIM tool, should be provided in the box. Then also you'll need a nano size SIM card. As Vodafone supplied the device, we'll be using their one today. So this is a dual SIM model, so it means it can take two SIM cards. One could be for data, one could be for minutes, and also you could have different SIM cards in different countries if you travel a lot. So I like the dual SIM option. Our phone is powered off. The SIM card is actually located at the top left hand side. We're just going to take our SIM tool here. It's actually a really good quality SIM tool. So what you need to do is find the little hole provided, push down, and you can see our tray has just come out slightly there. That means now we can remove the tray. So just pull the tray out here and you can see two SIM card slots, both the same size. Take our SIM card. So with our SIM card like this, place inside. I recommend use the far slot first. So what I mean by this one is the one not nearest the edge. Your SIM card should sit in like so. So just pause the video a minute here. The gold plate is facing down just underneath. So when returning, don't hold it like this as the SIM card will fall out. Just take your phone and the SIM card here, line back up, push in, make sure that's pushed all the way in. Then power our device back on. So the power button is down the right hand side and middle. So this device will not take a micro SD card. It will only accept SIM cards. So please bear that in mind when you're choosing the size of your device. This is 128 gigabytes. It will then ask you to insert your PIN, as the fingerprint sensor and the face unlock will actually be disabled because you've rebooted the device. Once this is done, you will then start to see mobile phone signals. You'll get a connection message. Pulling down in the notification area here, you've got Vodafone UK, and then you've got some signal bars as well, which can be seen up here at the top. So that was how to insert a SIM card into the OnePlus 6T. If you do have any questions or queries, drop a comment down below. If you need any more help with the OnePlus, please do let me know. Thanks always for watching. Please give the video a like, and if you're new to Tech Talk, hit that subscribe button and ring the little bell so you will be notified when new videos are launched on the channel. From me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.